What's up, tube ubers? It is I, 2025 Brian Hicks Deep Voice Fan Collector. This is my 12-volt ceiling fan. Starting off on the low speed. Oh yeah. One fan, one mission, one desire. It moves quite a bit of air considering I have flipped the blade brackets so that it runs in downdraft in the counterclockwise position. Here comes the high speed. I am considering adding some spacers to bring the blades closer to the floor. It moves quite a bit of air considering it is a 36-inch fan that far from the ceiling. Oh yes, it is deep voice time. As I have gotten older, I have become to the point where I am able to hold the deep voice and other voices for a long period of time. It spins significantly slower in the updraft position for obvious reasons. Here comes the high speed. And now we have the spin down. Thank you for watching. This has been a Deep Voice Fan Collector production. Brian Hicks out.